the experience in working with Cristie and Russ and the whole team there is probably one of the best experiences we've had in obviously a lease at this magnitude and this size. Going through negotiations on contracts, getting to the point to where we get to a deal and then having to modify, and every step of the way, the whole team, Cristie, Russ, everybody at Jet Lease was very, very supportive. Down to final execution and then obviously delivery. And we're very pleased. We'll continue to use Jet Lease and we hope you do as well.